Welcome, everyone, and thank you for taking the time out of your day to join us here. My name is Karen Bricken, and I am a health program specialist and educator here in Mecklenburg County Health Department. I have been working closely with our community for over 3 years now, and I am excited to share our most recent incentive here in Charlotte that deals directly with our youth and elementary school students. Today, I would like to go into detail about our new program in Mecklenburg County and surrounding areas called Less is More, which will be focusing on the reduction of processed and red meats in our schools and carry over into the home. Our first step, along with educator efforts, will be introducing a menu plan for Meatless Monday, which within the elementary schools. One of the largest issues our community faces with diabetes and cancer is related to the excess consumption of processed and red meats. By a show of hands, how many of you here today eat some type of meat product at least 3 times a week? How about 3 to 5 times a week? And still yet, who can say that on average they will have meat in their diet as many as 6 to 7 days a week? The recent polls and numbers within our community have shown an increase of consumption in the number of processed meat and beef in general. This increase among Americans has led to risk in cases of type 2 diabetes and heart disease, stroke, and many kinds of cancers. With just one service of meat a day, the chances of heart-related issues increase risk among Americans by up to 13% to 20%. Does anybody here remember the public school lunch options from where they grew up? I am sure you both have good memories and bad memories as well. I am pleased to say that our food selection here in Mecklenburg County has improved greatly over the past 10 to 15 years. However, there is still much work to be done as new health studies give more information to us daily. Here's an example of our current offerings in one of our local elementary schools, Reedy Creek. They have been taking this first step of being one of our pilot schools by eliminating any meat-based options from their menu on each Monday of the month. The vision and goal are that by 2023 school year, all public schools of the Greater Charlotte area and surrounding areas will adopt a Meatless Monday policy and offer the student vegetarian or plant-based options. Vegan school lunches contain triple the amount of heart health fiber found in standard entries. Entries average 9.5 grams of fiber, while common meat-based entries average 2.8 grams. The American Heart Association suggests elementary age children between 13 9-year-old and 13 to consume at least 26 to 31 grams daily fibers. About 14% of our school districts around USA now offer plant-based options. We want this to be a lasting change in our school and something that is carried over into the home. A traveling team of health educators will be visiting schools to share information and meal plans to help spread these new habits into the home and lifestyle. The community health services are supporting the plan by making updates to their website and providing answers to the community members who are interested in learning more about the program and materials available. While watching this video, let's think about our loved ones and how much this can benefit in their future. I wish to invite you all to join this program. By reducing our red meat consumption and understanding the required balance in our diet, I know that we can improve the health of our families on a community level. Understanding the importance of a meatless Monday as an idea and a meat substitution options will increase the life expectancy of our loved ones and reduce the risk of disease-related issues. Thank you for your time to attend to this presentation and share what you have learned with those who are close to you. One step in the right direction can influence so many who can watch and walk beside you. If you would like to know more information about this program, please visit www.lessismore.com.